Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to build your own AI agent using n8n. Completely no code, fully automated, and it can actually perform actions for you. Imagine this, an AI that can chat with users, create tasks, send emails, and even log everything into Google Sheets or Notion automatically, all without you lifting a finger. If you've ever wanted an assistant that works 24/7, handles repetitive tasks, and lets you focus on the important stuff, this is going to blow your mind. We'll go step by step, and I'll give you tips and tricks to make it even smarter. Let's jump right in. So first, what exactly is n8n? n8n is a no-code automation platform. Think of it like Zapier, but way more flexible. You can connect different apps, APIs, and even AI models together visually, using nodes and workflows. Basically, it's a canvas where you say, when this happens, do that. But here's what makes it really powerful. n8n supports conditional logic, loops, multiple actions, and even error handling. That means you can create very complex automations without writing a single line of code. Today, we're going to use it to build an AI agent powered by ChatGPT, which can receive messages from users, decide what to do based on the content, respond automatically, save logs or updates to your favorite tools. Basically, your AI won't just chat, it'll actually take action and get things done. Alright, let's build the workflow step by step. Step 1. Go into n8n and click New Workflow. Step 2. Add a trigger node. This is what starts your AI agent. You have multiple options here. A webhook, which allows your agent to receive requests from anywhere online. A Telegram trigger for chat-based commands. A Gmail trigger to read incoming emails. For this demo, we'll use a webhook, which is simple and versatile. Step 3. Add an OpenAI ChatGPT node. Here, you'll paste your API key, choose the model, I'm using GPT-4 Turbo, and now comes the fun part, writing your prompt. The prompt is basically the personality and behavior of your AI. Here's an example. You are a helpful AI assistant that organizes tasks, answers questions clearly, and provides step-by-step instructions in a friendly tone. Tip: you can create multiple prompts for different scenarios, like one for FAQs, one for task management, and another for casual conversation. Step 4. Connect the trigger, ChatGPT, response node. This could be Telegram, Discord, Gmail, or anything you want. Optionally, you can add a Google Sheets node to log all interactions. This is fantastic for keeping track of conversations or analyzing performance later. Now let's make our AI agent even smarter with logic and integrations. n8n allows conditional nodes, which means your agent can act differently depending on what the user says. For example, if a message contains the word task, it creates a new task in Notion. If it contains reminder, it sends an email. Otherwise, it just responds with a friendly message. You can also connect multiple tools. Imagine your AI agent reading your emails, updating a Google Sheet, sending notifications to Slack, and creating tasks in Notion, all automatically. Mini tip: you can schedule workflows so your AI performs actions at specific times. For instance, it could check your spreadsheet every morning for overdue tasks and send reminders without you touching anything. By combining multiple triggers, conditional logic, and integrations, you can build a multi-channel AI assistant that actually works for you 24/7. Alright, let's test it and see it in action. I'll send a test message through our webhook. Hey, remind me to check my emails tomorrow. The AI instantly replies, got it. I'll add that to your reminders list. At the same time, it logs this information into Google Sheets automatically. Let's try another example. Create a new task in Notion called Prepare Presentation. Boom! The task is instantly created. No typing, no copying, no manual updates. You can test multiple triggers at the same time. For example, Telegram for chat comments, Gmail for incoming emails, webhooks for website requests. This shows how versatile the AI agent is. It's not just a chatbot, it's a productivity powerhouse. Tip: always test different scenarios to make sure your conditional logic works correctly. And don't forget to handle errors with fallback nodes. This ensures your AI never breaks and always responds properly. And there you have it, a fully functional AI agent built in n8n using ChatGPT, all without writing a single line of code. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe and comment AI if you want a part 2 where I show advanced features like memory, context handling, and even API integrations. Remember, don't work harder, automate smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.